Hello and welcome to the Zakeke Visual Commerce platform. Today in this video, we will show the most important options, features, and tools available on the Visual Product Customizer for web to print and engraving. Why Zakeke for web to print? Well, Zakeke is a powerful and easy tool with incredible 2D imagery, cutting-edge 3D configuration. So no matter how many products you have, catalog management will be easier than ever. So use the Zakeke Visual Product Customizer to automate your printing business and allow your customers to visually personalize your items. Let's start with the customizable products. Once you integrate your store inside Zakeke and install correctly the platform, you are able to actually add customizable products. So, what are customizable products? Well, there are products that we get from your store and your catalog, or you can create from scratch, or you can select if you are integrated with or print on demand services. Inside the printing methods, you will, of course, set all the rules that are related to all the printing methods that you can support. For example, engraving or sublimation or direct to garment. So you will find all the print ready files supported by the platform, DPE, and all the amazing rules and features. So from the CMA Keeper file, or if you want mirror print file, there are really a lot of settings and opportunities for your business. For example, allow users to add text and select the fonts, colors, line spacing, text alignments, enable imaging clip art galleries. Really a lot of powerful information that you can actually allow your customers to see and play with while they're customizing your product. Another important part of the Zakeke Visual Customizer are the pricing rules. Zakeke lets you define simple or advanced pricing for your products. So you can show dynamic prices that changes depends on, for example, different properties such as quantities, setup costs, colors, and more. Or even select display options for your customers if they are associated with products, for example. And you can create the rules easily, starting from the element size, the amount of elements, the colors, lots of properties that you can select. Here you can have the 3D preview and AR of your products that are integrated within your account. You can select the supplier of the product, of course, if you are integrated with those print-on-demand services, or select the previous products that you've integrated with. So you can actually enable customers to preview your customized products in 3D and also with AR. Inside orders, you will find all the orders that you received with customized products by your customers, and you can actually from now on send manual orders if you're not integrated with e-commerce platforms. Here, as you can see, you can find the manual orders and also the test orders that you might want to use to test the platform. Also here you might find sales channels. What are the sales channels? Those are all the accounts that you might want to add if you have multiple shops to your Zakeke account, where you can share customization rules and products to your multiple channels. Here you can find all the tools available on your accounts and on your Zakeke platform. For example, as we saw the 3D preview and AR for your products, the background remover, you might want to add collage layouts for your customers, get a quote tool, upload your own fonts or glyphs and special characters, create auto pricing rules, create pre-designed templates. They are really a powerful tool and core to the Zakeke Visual Commerce platform in order to create product templates and text and images for your products. Manage calories, printing methods, profanity check. There are a lot of features, powerful feature for your business and for your customization rules, shapes and masks, for example. Inside settings, you will find all the options available for your shop, like the bulk variation form that allows your customers to buy multiple variants of your product, or manage email notification, customize the interface editor, the order summaries, messaging alerts, manage the KPI dashboard, Edit and create your own rules to rename the print-ready files inside your fulfillment. Keep in mind that there are help guides for all these settings, tools, add-ons, integration, features, and more. And you might want to, if you're, of course, willing to ask for help, find our help here. For example, I might want to help on printing methods, and I can find, for example, the guides, the overview, or if it's not enough, you can ask for help to our team by leaving a message directly here. Now let's continue with the integration and add-ons that of course are available to all customers and to all platforms. In integrations, you will find all the third-party apps helpful for your business and of course to manage your Zakeke account. For example, the Google Talk Manager integration on Hotjar to show and have data on how your customers use Zakeke. Or for example, connect Zapier or the print-on-demand services. For example, let's dig into that. We integrate with three native pod print-on-demand services. There are Printful, Custom Cut, and Printers. But keep in mind that you can also have your custom integration connecting with APIs.